Hello and welcome back to the channel at Languedoc Property Finders. Today we are in Belarga and we are just about to step into a lovely village house with 4 bedrooms. So let me show you the inside. Like a lot of village houses, the front door actually comes in directly to the kitchen. So this is very, very typical in the south of France. I wanted to show you the fact that the cellar has kept a lot of the original features. So there's beautiful, huge wooden beams in the ceiling and white walls, and that's very, very typical, very classic. They have had the really good idea though of putting in a false ceiling so as to install downlighting. So all of the electrical cables, etc., are hidden by the false ceiling, which I think is actually rather clever. So the kitchen has a gas hob, and that's powered by a gas bottle. There's no mainline gas to the house, just electricity and water. So as we walk through the kitchen, there's a door here to the left, and that takes us to the living room. Again, beautiful beams and white walls, very, very authentic. I'm just going to pan around a little bit so you can see this corner here. I love that grandfather clock, it's absolutely gorgeous. The house is double glazed throughout. I'm just going to pan around so you can see the length of this room. This is a really long room. It's an L-shaped room. You have the living room here, and if I walk through here, the dining area is just to this, in around this corner. There is a working fireplace, wood fireplace in the corner, and that serves to heat the whole of the downstairs actually, so it's very nice and warm. And the owner keeps the wood just behind that dark curtain there in the corner, so that's really nice and handy. So let's go and explore the rest of the house. So we walk back into the kitchen, and through this door that leads to the stairwell. Now there's a downstairs loo just to the left here, which is kind of handy. There you go, just for your information, I'm not going to linger. Right, going upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms on this level. The first bedroom is at the top of the stairs. It's actually known in France as an obscure chambre, basically a dark bedroom, because it has no window to natural light. So the seller has actually used this room as a bit of a gym room. So you definitely could use it as a gym room, as an office, but it is large enough to be able to use as a bedroom because there is a window here which leads to the corridor that we've just come from. So there is some light coming into the bedroom. But it might be an idea to have a bedroom for somebody who likes to have total darkness. So that's bedroom number 1. As we back out, there's a shower room just to the left here, and that has a WC, shower cubicle, and a wash basin. So that's the second loo, the second WC in the house. Then just outside is a really pretty bedroom here. This is bedroom number 2. And the owner has done the same thing. It's got a false ceiling for downlighting, which I think is, again, it's such a clever idea. Space enough for a large wardrobe. There you go. Very pretty. So that's bedroom number 2. And then as we walk out back through to the corridor. The corridor is actually quite a large space. The seller has put some of their clothes here, so there's enough for a cupboard. This is bedroom number 3. So I believe at the moment they are using it more as an office sort of lounge area. Again, it has the beautiful beams and the false ceiling, which is such a clever idea. I think I've already mentioned that it's double glazed throughout, which is really good. So that's bedroom number 3. And we have one shower room that services those 3 bedrooms. Now, bedroom number 4 is quite special. I'm going to take you up to the top floor. We have steps that go up to the terrace. And it's really pretty. Let me show you. This is quite a large terrace. You have a daybed here, and there's even space for a table with 6 chairs. The terrace has water and electricity. And if I pan around, you will see what the terrace looks out onto. So it does look out onto people's rooftops, but there is some greenery, and it is awfully quiet here. It really is lovely, and a real sun trap as well. So the 4th bedroom is through here. So you do have to exit the house really via the terrace to get to the 4th bedroom. But this might be the summer bedroom. It's quite large. It's built into the attic. But the advantage here is that there's a sink here. So you could, in essence, have a little bit of a summer kitchen for the terrace. So I think this bedroom has got lots of potential. It could be made absolutely stunning with the terrace. Then we also have a shower room on this level. So this is basically your ensuite. So you have a shower, a WC, and a wash basin. Over here, I didn't mention this actually, not only is there a sink, there's also plumbing for a washing machine. So that's quite handy. And there you have it. Oh, one thing that you should know, the roof was completely replaced in 2014, and that's fantastic. Everything was replaced. The old beams were replaced and the tiles. So that's good to know. If you would like a visit to this house, I'd be more than happy to organise a viewing. Contact me. There's a link at the bottom left, and I'd be more than happy to show you this lovely house. Thank you so much for watching.